Hi, my name's Elena, and the procedure I had at NuSet Dental was a full arch on top and a single implant on the bottom. My best friend and I decided to go to Indiana Horse Park to ride our horses. While we were there, after getting ready for a while, my horse started to throw a little bit of attitude, and she went to roll in the arena while she was saddled. So I walked up to her, told her to get up, and as she always does, when she hops back up, she tends to just kick her legs out. So unfortunately, I was just at the perfect distance away for her to kick me straight in the face, breaking my nose, my jawbone, my cheekbones, and kicking out 9 teeth. All the bone was completely shattered, so at the hospital they did as much as they absolutely could for me. They restored my face, put many plates to keep everything in place, but from that point I was 16, I had no teeth, I didn't have my smile anymore, all within a matter of minutes with that happening. Knowing how important it was for me and the long journey ahead of myself, my original trauma surgeon referred me to NuSet Dental with trust in Dr. Ryan.
After the injury, you could tell that she just was down, she wasn't smiling very much, and we really weren't sure if we were going to be able to put implants in her. She had multiple facial fractures, she lost multiple teeth. She had a significant bony defect in the front part of her jaw when she came in.
I had absolutely no idea how much of a process and how in depth they go with trying to figure out a smile that would fit me perfectly. And that's absolutely what they did. And I am so beyond grateful that I have the smile that they gave me.
She went through 10 surgeries with me. We had to build back bone. We had the prosthetic team that was able to build back her new teeth. And what we were able to do was place new implants, and we were able to screw in a fixed prosthesis for her and give this young girl a new smile.
Their technology allowed them to figure out what they should do, how many implants to put in, where to put it, what angles. And throughout the whole process, they talked to me about those steps and showed me it. So I felt really confident, and I was like, oh yeah, this is gonna be great the first try. No questions asked. I would just like to thank Dr. Ryan and Dr. Hoffman for everything they have done for me, from keeping me calm during surgeries to building this beautiful smile that I have today. I cannot be more grateful. I've been riding ever since, and she's still my best friend. We ride in the mountains all the time now, and I'm so happy. Dr. Ryan and Dr. Hoffman made that possible for me. I couldn't have asked for a better team.